Hi, hello viewers. There's a big question here. What is the actual family name for the group 8 element? Is it inert gases? Is it rare gases? Or is it noble gases? Over the years, chemistry students have been misusing these family names, right? So which of them is the actual name and why are they called that particular family name? Find out at the end of this video. Before we start, let's ask ourselves, what are group 8 elements? Group 8 elements are those elements at the last row or the last vertical axis of the periodic table. They are called group 8 elements because they have 8 outermost electrons or 8 valence electrons, except for the first member, helium, which has just one shell, so it has just 2 valence electrons. Apart from helium, all other group 8 elements has 8 valence electrons. So let us now break them down. Let's take each of these names one after the other and then see the reason why they should be called a particular name. First of all, inert gases. Are group 8 elements actually inert? Now, what do we mean by inert? Inert simply means those atoms that can't react. They can't react with other elements to form a compound. But over the years, study has shown that there are some of these group 8 elements that can actually react to form a compound. In fact, there is a known compound that has the formula Xe, platinum, and 6-fluorine. So this is a compound, it exists, and you can see a group 8 element there. So since xenon is there, we can no longer classify group 8 elements as inert gases because some of their member or one of its member can actually react. So the name inert gas should be strike out. Now, what about rare gases? What do you mean by rare gases? Rare means something that you hardly see in the environment, the gases that you hardly see in the environment. But there is a member of the group 8 that is actually found in the environment, and that element is helium. Helium and argon. In fact, they are one of the group 8 elements that's actually found in the environment. In fact, study has shown that argon occupies about 1% of the atmosphere. So a gas that occupies 1% of the atmosphere, you can no longer call that gas a what? A rare gas. It is not rare, it is in the atmosphere. So helium and argon are in the atmosphere. So for this reason, you can no longer call that family rare gases because